Hello everybody, this is Sybil. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to share with you the hip kit for the month of May. It came in yesterday, and then also my order from A Cherry on Top arrived yesterday. So yay! I've been having so much fun scrapbooking. My husband was here for 3 days, and while he was outside doing some work, I finished a page that I had actually started on before he got here. So that was great. Anyway, I'm going to share with you the main kit, and then I will share with you the embellishment kit as well as the mixed media kit that I purchased. Okay, so these papers are so cute, and everything can be used for either scrapbooking or card making or journaling, whatever you have your creative juices flowing to, these beautiful products can be used for them. So this one is called Seeing is Believing, and there's the opposite side. I'm going to pull my other chair closer to me so I can set everything down there. I love this one. This is probably my favorite. It's called Daisy Chain, and it is so pretty. I just love it. And there's the back. This is Fields of Flowers. Capture the Memory. I will probably fussy cut these flowers out and use them on a layout. This is called Fresh New Day. I like that side better because of all the little pink dots all over it. This is a tiny bit wild, and it says wildflower, and there are cute little butterflies. And then we've got stripes there, pink and white. I love both sides of this paper. It's called Let's Find Sunshine. So you could use it all individually, or you could cut the stripes out, or you could cut the panels, make 4 panels. And then the back is beautiful too. I love the dots. And then this one is real pretty. It's called Love Grows Here. This one is called Right Here, Right Now. Say It with Flowers, and I like this one. It's got flowers in a pocket page, in a vase, not a pocket page, coming out of an open-faced book, in a pocket, in a vase, in a little small vase, and in a light bulb, and in a watering can. So cute. And there's that pattern kind of bothers my eyes for some reason. And then this one is beautiful, Stroll in the Meadow. I will fussy cut those flowers and leaves out for layouts. Love that. And then the last one is called Time for a Picnic, and it does look like a pattern on a picnic blanket. And then I love this side with the black and white butterflies. And then the embellishments, you get 53 die cuts with foil. So it's got silver foil on it. And then I love these puffy shapes. Smile, bloom, spring, dream, fun. And you've got little sentiment strips there. Real cute, lots of cute images. And then some felt clouds. I love those. I love the dimension on them. This is beautiful. Glitter foam stickers. Life is sweet. Sunshine is sweet. And smiles. And then you've got flowers and hearts and really cute, and leaves. And then I love these foam alphas. Super cute colors all over them. Love, love, love them. Okay, and then for the embellishment kit, you get 42 epoxy shapes. See, these would be perfect on cards or even in a planner. Really cute. And then 75 die cuts with foils, and those are some of the sentiments. I hope you can see them. Spring, family time, favorite. And then they've got lots of journaling spots and some flowers as well. And then woodcuts, beautiful flowers and leaves. And 10-dimensional layered stickers, cardstock stickers. Really pretty. And I think, was this part of this kit or was this part of the hip kit? No, this was part of the embellishment kit. These are cardstock stickers, alphas, but look at the ombre. I hope you can see that. So it kind of goes from a light lilac up into a darker violet. Really pretty. And then some chipboard stickers here. And I love the frames. Really pretty. I love it all. It's so pretty. And then for the mixed media, I got two beautiful, and I don't know if you'll be able to see these or not. I should have taken these out and put them on paper so you could see, but it is like a large doily. Beautiful, beautiful. And then a bunch of wildflowers and 3 butterflies. Those are beautiful stencils. And then they gave me some shimmers, paints, and beautiful colors. So you just add water to these. So this one is called Berry Hot, the violet one, and then Giddy About Green. And this one is Orange Sherbet. Beautiful. All right, let me set those down. And then from a cherry on top, it looks larger than it is, but it's because I bought 2 packs of the same thing and they're on the bottom. So I wanted some black Nouveau drops, so I picked up this in ebony black, and it's the crystal drops. And then look at this gorgeous trim from Frank Garcia. Beautiful. It's butterflies in various sizes, so I can cut those apart. So pretty, and put them on a layout or on a card. And I picked up the Obed Marshall Buenos Dias 48 stickers. So pretty. I love the globe, and they all have glitter. Oh, I'm sure my camera's not doing them justice, but they are beautiful. I picked up some more scissors to do some fussy cutting, non-stick detail scissors. So those are from Spellbinders. And then I've got 3 things here from Pink Fresh. These are vellum embellishments. And there you see what they are. Beautiful butterflies and leaves. So pretty. I picked up this autumn themed sticker sheet. These are all puffy stickers. I think all 3 of these are. Yep. This one's for autumn. It's called Good Times. Again, from Pink Fresh. This one is Simply the Best. I just liked a lot of these sentiments on a lot of the sentiments on these stickers. Really cute. And then this is Delightful. Thankful for Rainbows. So cute. I don't think these are, yeah, it says they're puffy. I thought for a minute they were chipboard, but they are puffy stickers. Okay, and then I picked up some puffy stickers from Cartabella. Gather at Home. I have that collection, but I didn't have the little puffy stickers. And then from Cocoa Vanilla, which is one of my favorite paper lines, paper companies. I love their papers. Happy Days, really cute. Love all the little tags and all the sentiments and the bright, fun colors. Perfect for summer layouts. And this is part of that line, Happy Days. Really cute, lots of tags, just peachy. Perfect for me because I'm a Georgia peach. And then you've got border strips as well. And then sentiments, really, really cute. And there's the back. And this is also from Cocoa Vanilla, No Limits, a different collection. I thought these would be great for some of my boy layouts that I'm making. And then this is from Photoplay, Beach Vibes. really cute sticker sheet. And then from Vicki Boutin, I think all of these are from, I'll have to double check. No, that one says Color Study. I was thinking it was from Print Shop. These two are definitely from Print Shop. So these are puffy stickers. There's 50 there. Stars and hearts and little like enamel dots. And then all of these beautiful floral pieces. This ephemera pack is so pretty. I like the sentiments, moments like this, love days like this, moments, heart, today, snapshots, really cute. And then I picked up this sticker sheet, and it doesn't say what it's from. I looked and I don't see which collection it's from. I'm thinking, I could be wrong, I think it's from the Print Shop because of the cameras. But I mean, you can have cameras on anything, but yeah, I'm pretty sure a picture is worth 1,000 words. Yeah, so a lot of these sentiments are about cameras, you know, taking pictures. And then this one is from her Color Study collection. I plan on cutting each of the squares out and then folding them in a pattern for a layout. Oh, in the back, that's the back side. And then this is from Simple Stories, puppy stickers, safe travels. Loved the campers on that sheet. And then also from Simple Stories, these tags. It's here and there, traveling tags. So I thought that would be great to use on my traveling layouts. And then these two papers are from the Memory Place. And this is from their Book Lover collection. Beautiful, beautiful. I will probably fussy cut the flowers out on this, keep the borders, and then use this for, like, you know, backing on photos and stuff. And then this one is so beautiful. I'm not sure that I would cut this one out because it's got one of my favorite childhood stories on there, printed out, Little Red Riding Hood. I still remember reading that. And then I picked up two more of the Vicki Boutin White Foundations Mixed Media paper pads, 12 by 12 pads, 140-pound weight, perfect for painting and sprays and all of that good stuff that we like to do. All right, thank you so very much for watching. I appreciate it. I hope you have a blessed day. Talk to you again soon. Bye.